If you have products that frequently sell out, you don't necessarily have to stop accepting orders. Instead, you can allow customers to place pre-orders so they can reserve items before they're back in stock. This is a great way to continue generating sales, measure demand, and keep customers engaged even when inventory is unavailable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up pre-orders for out-of-stock products in Shopify step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, it's important to understand that Shopify does not include a dedicated pre-order feature by default. However, you can still enable pre-orders by adjusting inventory settings or by using a pre-order app for additional functionality. Let's start with the simplest method. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Products from the menu on the left. Open the product that you want customers to pre-order, scroll down to the Inventory section. Here, you'll see an option called Track Quantity. Make sure this option is enabled if you want Shopify to monitor inventory levels. Just below that, look for the setting that says Continue Selling When Out of Stock. Check this box and then click Save. Once enabled, customers will still be able to purchase the product even when the inventory reaches zero. This effectively allows you to accept pre-orders. However, if you stop here, customers may not realize they're placing a pre-order. To avoid confusion, it's a good idea to clearly indicate that the item is currently unavailable but can still be ordered. One easy way to do this is by updating the product title or description. For example, you could add text such as "Pre-order now" or "Ships in 2 weeks" to let customers know when they can expect delivery. For a more professional setup, many store owners use dedicated pre-order apps available in the Shopify App Store. To explore these options, click Apps from the left-hand menu and then visit the Shopify App Store. Search for terms like pre-order or back in stock. You'll find several apps designed specifically for managing pre-orders. After installing a pre-order app, open it from your Shopify dashboard and follow the setup instructions. Most apps allow you to replace the standard Add to Cart button with a pre-order button, display expected shipping dates, limit the number of pre-orders, and automatically notify customers when products are back in stock. Once your pre-order settings are configured, visit your online store and open the product page. Verify that customers can still place orders even when inventory is zero. Also, make sure that any pre-order messages, badges, or buttons display correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. You should also perform a test purchase to confirm that the order process works properly. This helps ensure that pre-order items are processed correctly and that customers receive accurate information during checkout. Another important tip is to communicate shipping timelines clearly. Customers are generally willing to wait for products, but they appreciate knowing exactly when they can expect delivery. Adding estimated shipping dates can improve customer satisfaction and reduce support requests. To quickly summarize, open the product, enable inventory tracking, turn on the Continue Selling When Out of Stock option, clearly label the item as a pre-order, or install a dedicated pre-order app for more advanced features, and always test the customer experience before going live. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to set up pre-orders for out-of-stock products in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.